how to fix unable to enable Bitcoin features in Cash App. Now, you want to load up Cash App, then you will click on the bank icon found in the bottom left corner. Now from here, if you scroll down, you should see Bitcoin, Learn and Invest, and you just want to click on Start. Now right here, if you try to purchase Bitcoin, you will just click on Buy Bitcoin. You want to select the amount. Let's just do $1 as an example. It should take you to the identity verification page. Now usually why you get this error is because you haven't properly verified your identity. So you can go from here, or if that doesn't work, you can click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you will select Verify your identity. Now here it's going to ask for your personal information such as your full legal name, your date of birth, a government issued document, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. And also sometimes it is also going to ask for a selfie to prove that that is in fact you. Once you verify your identity, you should no longer have issues with Bitcoin on Cash App. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.